Yeah. There's a lot of work today.
Yes, boss. Oh! Oh no! What's going on? Oh!
Help! Ow! This is hilarious!
I can't get out of here. I'm stuck.
This is so funny. Come on, you can do better than that, purple unicorn. Huh? Hi, Rhino Trucks.
Johnny, I need help. I am with Bob, and we're completely stuck in mud at the construction site. We need help.
Oh no, sounds bad. I'm going to send you some help.
Oh, thanks.
Hiya, Johnny. What's the mission?
You have to help Rhino and Bob at the construction site, but Vicky's around, so be careful.
All right, I'll take care of it.
Somebody help me!
Vicky, stop right now!
But wait! Help us, Bulldozer!
Huh? Oh. Bob, are you ready? Well, I'll take that as a yes. Looks like I've caught a big fish.
I'm finally out of that nasty mud. Thanks, Bulldozer.
Your turn. Oh? Yeah. Come on! Get out of the mud!
Thanks, pal.
You're welcome. And now it's time to catch Vicky.
No! Stop making fun of me!
Hello? Vicky, stay put!
I don't think so.
Oh, come on! But I'm not gonna let you escape this time.
Oh, well, thanks!
Leave me alone, you mechanical bull!
That's not going to stop me, Vicky.
All right, you might have more fun with this.
Oh no! I am the best!
See you around, mechanical bull. Hi, Bulldozer. All good?
I'm having a bit of trouble catching Vicky.
Don't worry. Activating power up.
Ugh, perfect. Let's go. Ah. Ugh. Yeah, come on! Aha!
Huh?
Vicky, stop right now!
No way!
Vicky, listen to me! You gotta stop right now!
Never!
Ugh.
No, 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 no! Ah!
It's not so funny now, is it, Vicky?
Oh no! Why always me?
This earthquake made a real mess. We have to act quickly.
Good job, Bullance. You were pretty quick.
Get ready, Joe. I'm carrying a patient here.
Guys, we need to help Bob. What happened, Katie? I was delivering some food to the construction site when the earthquake happened and Bob got trapped on top of a building. Don't worry, friend. I'm calling for backup. Joe, are you all right? That earthquake was really strong. Johnny, we need your help. Bob is trapped on the construction site and he might be injured. I can't go. I have to take care of my patient. Say no more. I'll send the rescue team. Thanks, Johnny. Bullance will be raiding there.
Hi, Johnny.
Guys, we have a new mission. Go to the construction site and help Bullance rescue Bob.
All right, Chief. You got it, Johnny.
Hi, guys. Thanks for coming.
Hi, Bullance.
What's the situation?
Bob is stuck on the top floor of the construction site, and I think he has hurt his leg. Can you help him get down from there?
Leave it to me. I'll take care of it. Take the ladder, Bob.
All right.
Go down carefully.
Oh no!
Got you.
Are you all right, Bob?
Well, I've had better days, but thanks, guys.
Well, I think we're done here, Wheels.
What? Okay, Joe, I'll tell them. Guys, we have another problem. It looks like Rhino Trucks got hit in the head during the earthquake, and he lost all control. He's wreaking havoc at the town hall now. I'll get Bob to the hospital. Take care of Rhino, please.
That's what I get for talking too soon. Come on, let's stop him before he turns everything into splinters.
He's too fast.
We'll never catch him like this. I'll call for help. Johnny, we need to stop Rhino Trucks and bring him to the hospital, but I can't reach him. I need to be faster and stronger.
All right, Tag Ears, get ready for Power Up.
Yeah, now we're talking. I'm sorry, pal. You give me no choice. Let's see if you can run as fast now. Okay, I didn't think this through. Stop right now!
Wow! Well done, Tight Gears!
Yeah, not bad, right?
Let's get you to the hospital, big guy.
Thanks, guys. You were great today.
Don't even mention it, Joe.
We're happy to help.
You're good to go, fellows.
Wow, those lollipops look amazing.
Don't worry, my friends. I got you covered.
Wow, we should help the doctor more often.
Thanks, Katie. You're welcome, Ed.
Hello, Katie. Do you have vanilla ice cream?
Sure, Bulldozer. Huh? I'm sorry, Bulldozer. Are you okay? He's gone mad. We need help. Here's Johnny. What can I help you with? Help us, Johnny. Bulldozer got hit in the head and he's scaring everyone in the city. Don't worry, Katie. The rescue team is on the case.
Hi, Johnny. What's the new mission?
Wheel of it. Bulldozer is hurt and out of control. We must stop him before he hurts anyone.
All right, Johnny. You can count on me. Hi, guys.
Run, Wheel of it, run!
Boy, he looks mad.
We told you to run. You have to stop him, Wheel of it.
All right, let me try something out. Oh. Sorry, Bulldozer.
It looks like he's working. Is he okay? Oh no, he's still out of control. Hey, watch out! Oh no, Dallybug!
Hey, pick on someone your own size. Well, I'm not really your size. He's too strong. If I want to stop him, I'll need some extra help.
Wheels, how's the mission going?
Johnny, we have a situation here. I need your help.
Okay, get ready for a power up.
Yes! Come on, big guy. Let's handle this. He's very strong. You give me no choice. Bulldozer, are you all right?
Oh, what's going on?
Bill, it's you again.
I think I got hit in the head or something.
Actually, you got hit twice. We have to check on the others. I'll tell you on the way.
Did I really do all that? I hope I didn't hurt anyone.
Run, guys, run!
Really? Again?
Hey, what's going on? Huh? Wait! Don't leave me alone! No! Oh, no!
It's so hot today. It's great that we get to have this ice cream and relax in the oasis. Huh? What's going on?
Strawberry, my favorite. I think I'll take some more for the trip. Thank you very much. My car. Bye-bye, animal losers.
We need help.
Johnny here, ready to help.
Johnny, we have a problem. Today's the hottest day of the year, and Vicky stole all our ice cream.
That's awful, but don't worry, guys. Help is on the way.
Hi, Johnny.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigers, Wheelefant, Vicky is causing chaos in the desert. I need you to go there and stop her.
Roger that.
Wow. It's so hot in here today. I feel like I'm melting.
Hey! The ice cream will be all melted if we don't catch Vicky soon.
She can't be far away. Let's have a look around, Wheelefant.
You again? Can't you give me a break? Aw.
Careful, Wheelefant. Don't get hurt with these rocks.
I hate the desert.
Let's see how you handle this.
Ha! You missed.
Are you sure?
Help! Help! I can't get out.
Tigers, no!
So long, animal losers. Better luck next time.
The first thing is getting you out of there, Tigers. Ooh. It's too heavy. Looks like I'm going to need some help.
Wheelefant, how's the mission going?
Not great, Johnny. Vicky created an avalanche that trapped Tigers. The rocks are too heavy. I need my bionic arm.
Say no more. Activating power up.
That's more like it. Come on, pal. Get out.
Thank you, Wheelefant. Now time to find that thief.
Which way did she go?
Look. The ice cream is melting. Follow the puddles. Hello there,
Vicky. Did you miss us?
You'll never catch me, animal losers!
So good! You have more?
Hey, that's mine!
That's not yours, but this net has got your name written all over it.
Thank you for getting all the ice cream back, guys.
Huh? Yes, the heat is much more bearable now.
That ice cream looks delicious. There you go. Just try not to steal them next time.
Yeah, stop, Vicky! That's enough!
Me? Stop? Never! See you, kitty kitty.
Hi, Tigers. How can I help you?
Johnny! Vicky got me stuck in mud and fled!
Don't worry, buddy. I know the perfect AnimaCar for the job. Hi, Bulldozer.
Hi, Johnny. What's wrong?
Tigers need your help.
All right, I'm on it.
Huh? Tiger! Bill, quick! I need your help! I got you, pal. Ugh. Thanks! Now we have to go for Vicky.
I never thought mud could be so much fun.
Stop right there, Vicky!
You win. Don't you ever get tired?
Getting tired, Vicky? Damn it! Tigers, I need your help. Get ready. Come on! Great job, pal. Thanks. Aha! But we need some help to catch Vicky.
Hi, Tigers. All good?
We're having trouble catching Vicky.
Don't worry. Activating power up.
That's it! Now let's stop Vicky! Oh no! I think she's going to the power plant. We must stop her before she gets there. Whoa. Come on, Tigers. Get her.
Don't look so proud, animal loser.
Now it's my turn. Bullseye.
Ew!
Well done, Tigers.
Oh, I can't get out.
Mud doesn't seem so fun anymore. Right, Vicky? Come on. Take this.
You'll pay for this, though, animal fools.